Fill the bottle with the required oil according to the vehicles to be recharged. PAG oil for vehicles with a mechanical compressor and POE oil for vehicles with an electric compressor. Select PAG if you need to recharge a vehicle with a mechanical compressor, or POE if it has an electric compressor. The machine may require a complete flushing of the hoses. In this case, press the green button to start the procedure. Fryon Prima is now ready for operation. Unscrew the caps from the vehicle's refrigerant connectors. Connect the high pressure and low pressure hoses. If the fittings are connected properly, you will see the high and low pressure increase on the respective pressure gauges. Select the automatic recharge procedure. The refrigerant recharge is complete. Both digital and analog pressure gauges will show the same data. Start the vehicle, switch on the air conditioning system for 15 minutes, and check that the system is operating properly. Disconnect the couplings. Print the recharge report.